Hey everyone, welcome back, and at this time let me show you how you can start over in Duolingo on your device. So let me open up the app like this. You can see that this is my current path, current progress, and in the top left corner you can see which language I'm currently learning. So for me, I'm on the level 66 inside of Spanish, but you can click on it and essentially switch to different languages which you have, like different courses. Like I also have German, intermediate English from different languages, and so on. So you can switch there and continue as it is. However, if you want to start over, what you can do is, instead of going to the course switcher in here, you would go to the three dots button in the bottom right corner, then proceed to the profile section. And in there, go to the settings, which are in the top right corner. You expand the settings, and in here you should see the courses, right? So as you can see, I tap on courses, and I currently have 3 of them which are active. So let's say I want to reset the progress in the intermediate English. So I'm gonna delete this one, right? So let me click on remove. It is now gone, right? So if I come back, you can see that it has been removed. And then now if I return back to the main page, go to the course switcher, you can see the intermediate English is not there anymore. So I'm going to go to the plus button for the new course. And then now I can essentially re-add it again. So whatever it was, you can kind of like restart it over. So for me, if it was the intermediate English, which is right there, you can continue, and now you can either assess your skills again or set up the thing as if you were just starting out. So that's how we can do this. That's how we can reset the progress within one language or one course inside of Duolingo. So I hope it helped. Let me know what you think about this video below in the comments. I'm gonna wrap up this tutorial right now, and I'll catch you later in the next uploads.